In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the automatic dubbing feature on YouTube. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search YouTube. Make sure you log into the YouTube account and select YouTube Studio. On left side, select Settings, select Channel, select Advanced Settings and scroll down. Automatic Dubbing. You are eligible for earlier access to automatic dubbing. Just select the Enable option. Uncheck this manual review dubs before publishing and make sure you only check this allow automatic dubbing, so it will automatically done all the process. And check the save option, the settings will be saved. And now itself the next uploads will start automatically dubbing. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.